Hello, this is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. The phone is ringing. Let's see what's going on. The phone is... Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency? Someone has fallen into the well. We asked the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, Ho-Ho fell into a well and we need to rescue him quickly. Let's explore the well with the life detector first. There he is. Let's get ready to go down the well to save him. Rotate the roller to get Hank down the well. It's so dark. Let's turn on the flashlight. Ho-Ho, don't be afraid. I am coming to get you out of the well. Ho-Ho feels very uncomfortable. Let's first help Ho-Ho with rescue supplies. Oh, my leg hurts so much. Thank you. I'm so cold. Thank you. I'm so hungry. Thank you. Ho-Ho feels much better. Let's hurry up and get him out of the well. Ho-Ho, do not play beside the well again. This is very dangerous. I know. I'll never do it again. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete. Should Whiskers walk by a sewer outlet without a cover? That's not the right answer. You are right. Awesome. Walking by a sewer outlet without a cover is very dangerous. Should Whiskers and Rudolph play beside the well? That's not the right answer. You are right. Playing beside the well is very dangerous. Should Whiskers stay away from a sewer outlet without a cover? That's not the right... You are right! Awesome! Whoa, whoa! Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniforms and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Whoa. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete.